Aren't these pretty? Today we're going to do an unboxing of 2 strands of Tahitian pearls. Then I'm going to show you how to make a single Tahitian Pearl Drop Pendant Necklace. Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. I want to show you something that I just got in the mail. I've been waiting for this package for a while. I just ordered some new Tahitian pearls. You know me and pearls, I can't get enough of them, especially Tahitian pearls. So I found a place online from Etsy and I decided to give her a try. I've not ordered from her before, but the stuff online looked really nice. So I bought some 9x10mm Tahitian pearls. They're short strands. I'm so excited because I have been wanting some new Tahitian pearls for a while. And so I'm glad that I picked these up, and I hope they're really nice. So let's open this up. Really well packaged. All right. First strand is number 22. And let's take a look at them. Let me get the light closer. Are they pretty? They are. They're beautiful. They are, to me, they have like a greenish tinge to them, which I love, the green in the pearls. Let's open it, see what it looks like. Put it in this little bowl. So you have to be careful that you don't cut the little knob up here off, because it's very close to the top. But let me see if I can just go from the top. Okay. How pretty. So pretty. Look at the shine. I like that there's a little like knobby on the top. I don't know what you call that, but I like that part. It looks so natural. These would make some really nice earrings, or even like one pendant. So pretty. Can you see the luster on it? I'm also seeing not a lot of blemishes, so that's really good. I don't see any cracks or divots or parts that are broken and glued together. Okay, let's go on to strand number 21. And remember, these are half strands. So pretty. Look at these first 3. Look at the color on this, the green. I love green pearls. This one's a little darker. And I don't see, this one has a little blemish here, but I don't see any full chunks or divots that have been gouged out of here. All right, so let's cut this. Being mindful not to cut the little nub on the top. So pretty. Can you see the luster? This hole, I believe, is a 1mm hole, so it should go through 22 gauge wire. You can probably even use a 24 gauge if you're going to string them together. They're all the same size, so I'm going to put them all in the same dish. And then when I want to make something, oops, I can find the best pearls by color match. So pretty, right? So luscious. So let's make something with this. I know exactly what I want to make, and I know the pearl. I can see it right here. It's this one. So pretty. It's got like a greenish silver tint to it. So I'm going to use this one. I'm using a sterling silver head pin. Take it right through the bottom. And now we're going to wire wrap the top. I'm going to use a pre-made chain, so I need to make the bail fairly large so the end of my chain will go through it. So I'm going to come up with my round nose pliers about like this. I think that should fit. So pinch that down with my round nose pliers. Bring the wire up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back. And there's my loop. Now to ensure that my chain will go through my bail, I'm going to take it out. I'm using, this is 16 and this is 18 inch. I'm going to try the 18 inch, make sure that it fits through, and it does, so that's good. So my loop is wide enough. That's always something to keep in mind when you're using a pre-made chain, is will the end of your chain fit through the barrel that you just made? So we checked it and it will, so now I can go ahead and wire wrap. I'm going to pinch down my loop, come in with my flat pliers, and wire wrap around. I'm going to stop so I can give my pearl lots of breathing room. I don't want it butting right up against my wraps. Then I'm going to cut the excess off. I can pinch it down, being mindful of the little knob on the top. I don't want to crack the pearl. So go very slow, gentle. Okay, now that I've got my loop, such a pretty pearl, right? I can go ahead and put my chain through. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And try it on. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.